Oops. Yeah, that's the top camera, possibly damaged. What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and your view is being blocked a little bit by this box. Now you can see me better. Welcome to the first episode of Unboxing Time of 2018, mystery unboxings of cool tech. We've got some very interesting packages here, including some from Google. Now remember, if you want to pick up any of the items featured in this video, they will all be linked in the description below. Also in the description will be the address if you want to send something yourselves. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we'll move the other boxes out of the way. Let's have a look at the Google ones first. Oops. Yeah, that's the top camera, possibly damaged.
2 hours later.
I think the top down camera is okay now. So big box from Google. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, interesting. One for you, one for a friend. I'll let you read all of the rest of this note from Google. Thank you for that. Now I think there was supposed to be 2 Google Home Minis, but they already know that I have one. So this one is for a friend. Now I'm really enjoying using the Google Home Mini. It's absolutely awesome. We've got 2 little help boxes here, and we also have, what's this? Some peppermints. Interesting. LMNOP. Is that a hint to the next version of Android? We're currently in Oreo. Will the next version be called Peppermint? I know there's been some speculation around it. I think this is a bit of a hint towards that. Maybe they're trying to throw us off. Who knows? Let me know what you think in the comments below. So these little help boxes have lots of cards, and these cards have lots of little fun things that you can try with your Google Home Mini. So we've got here, okay Google, remind Tom to buy my favorite cookies at 8 AM. And there's lots of these that you can play around with your family. At the back of these, I'm assuming if you put them together, you will have the Google logo. So that will also be pretty cool, something fun to do with the family. And in this box here, Google Pixel 2, the Ask More collection. All right. Google has always asked questions and challenged the status quo. From search to email to maps and beyond, it has a history of looking for a better way. To celebrate a new generation of changemakers, Google has partnered with 10 shockingly different designers, all well versed in the art of challenging conventional ways of doing things, to design cases for the new Pixel 2. All right, so we've got some of the profiles here of these designers in this booklet, and then we have 10 different cases. Very nice. What I'll do is I'll open all of these up later on and take a picture, which will be on your screen now. And you can check out all of the different Google Pixel 2 cases that they have on here. And what happened to that Google service where you can customize your own case with your own design? I'm not sure what happened to that. I'm gonna check that out because I do want some custom cases, SuperSaf ones, made for the Google Pixel 2 and 2 XL. So I'm gonna be looking that up. Thank you, Google, for sending me all of this stuff. Right, let's move on. So we have this big parcel. So we've got Dear Safwan. Not many people call me Safwan. I always feel like I'm in trouble when anybody calls me Safwan because only my parents call me that. Everybody else calls me Saf. We've got a really nice message here from the Sun Valley Group, and they do lots of little bits and accessories on Amazon. So let's see what they've sent me. Interesting, it smells really nice. I wonder what's in here. So we've actually got 5 different boxes in here. We'll open this small one first. Wireless headphones. Yep, some wireless, well, earphones. And they're magnetical here, I can see. And they've got this little loop here, which will help keep them in your ear. And then we have a wireless portable speaker. Nice, black, slick. We've got all of the buttons here at the top. And in this box, we have a RAVPower external battery pack. Whoa, okay, that looks really, really cool. It's definitely quite rugged. Here you can see around the sides, and it's got 10,050 mAh, so that's going to be good enough to at least charge your phone twice, and it's quite compact. You've got two USB to micro USB cables, and you've also got this clip which has a compass on, so definitely intended for somebody who goes out traveling and things. That's going to be really cool, so you can just sort of clip this on to maybe your bag or something. VAVA. This is an ultrasonic aroma diffuser. So I have no idea how to work this. It looks really cool. We've got this sort of wooden effect on here with the white, and I think these go with this. So these are some pure essential oils. That would explain the good smell when we open the box. Okay, we've got lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, sweet orange, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that, and peppermint. So hey, another hint on peppermint. Nice. I have never tried one of these, but I'll definitely be testing this out, and I'll be sharing some stuff on my Instagram stories. I kind of do some mini reviews on there, shall we say. So when it comes to lots of products like these, then I'll do really short sort of mini Instagram story reviews. And if you're not following me already, then definitely go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. I am at SuperSaf. Right, we've got one final box here, so let's go ahead and pop this open. And this is also from Amazon, and we have some stuff from AUKEY. So we've got a dashboard cam as well as a sports action cam. Let's open the dash cam first. So we've got a display on here, and then we've got a micro SD card slot, and here is the camera. All of the other wiring and connections are also on here, and you can record at 1080p at 30 frames a second on here. It's got Sony Exmor IMX 323 sensor, and I will definitely set this up in my car. Once again, the mini review will be on my Instagram stories. And finally, we have the sports action cam from AUKEY. This is the ACLC2. Comes with a bunch of different attachments and accessories. And the camera itself, very, very small. It's also got an LCD display at the back, which is nice. Now, I'm not sure of the exact price of this, but all AUKEY products are reasonably priced. I'm going to be leaving some links in the description below to all of the items that have been featured in this video. So if you're interested in picking any of those up, then definitely do go ahead and follow those links. And if you want to send something yourself for a future episode, then the address will also be in the description below. What did you think of all the products that were featured in this video? Which was your favorite? Definitely drop me a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then please do hit that thumbs up button for me. It really does help me out. If you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications for lots more fun and quality content coming up in 2018. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.